In this video, I'm going over all the bots from a Discord server called Gen Palace. They do so all these bots. This is what this video is for. This video is going through the basic setup for the bots. So when you buy a bot, you'll be sent a zip file compressed with all the required stuff. And in this video, I'll be showing you on how to run it. So all these bots are purposely made to run off your own computer. So there is no extra cost for hosting companies or anything like that. But if you do want to host it off of a website, we will give you access to the website that I personally use to host my Minecraft server. Their bots hosting, I believe, if I remember correctly, is from 40 cents up to I do not know how much. That depends on like the RAM and stuff that is needed. But neither I or RickyGod_18 will help with that setup, as personally we don't know how to do that, as we just run. Well, he runs these bots off his computer, and I've only just now found out how to. That's why I'm making this tutorial on his behalf. So let's get into this. I will go through a couple of these, talk you through it, because some are different than others. And yes, so let's start with the Dino bot. Sorry, Dino? No, Code bot. So this bot is the Discord Gen, it's called at the moment. So this bot, so all you have to do is within the code, you don't have to do anything within this code here. All you have to do is go into the config. I apologise, I've completely forgot to tell you how to do something. So what you want to do is you want to go to the first link in the description, Discord developers, and you want to create, this will be not blurred out because I can't be asked for too much editing now. You want to click new application, put the name in, and obviously click continue. For now, I'll just use this bot. So what you need to do to start with is you need to go down to OAuth 2. I apologise, bot. First, you need to enable these bottom three. These have to be enabled. Then the next step is to go to the bot, reset your token. I was hoping it wouldn't do that. I won't be grabbing any tokens now, as I don't actually have access to my phone to do that. So the next step would be to go to the OAuth, click bot. So me personally, I find it easier just to click bot than administrator, as then you don't have to faff about any permissions. We do suggest you do this as well, just because then there's no faffing about of permissions in that. If you want to be awkward and you want the permissions that are required, we don't know them off by heart, but we'll go into it and look that for you. So then also you want to copy that, and then you want to invite the bot to your server. I won't be going on Discord at this time to show that, but all you have to do is copy it and paste it, search, and it's basically very simple from there. You'd search it. Okay, I don't want to open Discord, and then it comes to this thing here. Then you have to have administrative permissions to invite a bot, of course. You then just select the server you want it in, let's just say this one, and then press continue. That's as simple as it is. So let's go back to the bot. So now what you want to do is you want to go into config, put the token. You never ever want to share your token. So you want to put your token there, and the client ID. The client ID is this right there. You probably shouldn't share that either, but it's probably fine. It's not risky at all, as there's no reset. But obviously, if you do try and steal it and something happens to this bot, it's fine. I'm deleting this bot after anyway. So then that one would go in here. So just for the sake of it, I will try and fill these out just so it's easier. Let me quickly open up Discord again. There we go. So let me find a server I have permissions in. So you want to, right, sorry, I apologise. For this, you want to so this here, this is the server ID. So this allows slash commands to work within this server. If you want it made so it can be in multiple servers, we can do that, but there is an extra fee. There is a slight few bots that if they use slash commands and there is nothing like this within it, that means it's already programmed to run in multiple servers. To my knowledge, that is the giveaway bot and I believe the vouch bot, and that's all I know of that use that mechanism. So there's also quite a few of these bots. I'll also have like a log. These logs are made for public logs, so they don't show any like keys that you're given. Like this is obviously a gen bot, so if you do the gen, for example, nitro, just because that's what it's for, it won't show the nitro code. It will just say that user generated it. For example, if I go onto the server where these bots are actually hosted from, you could see from here, gen logs. So these are examples for some of the gens. This is the bot we're looking over currently. So this is the example of what they look like. Some of these gens, some of these might be different by the time you buy a bot, not only slightly, but yes. And then obviously the next part obviously is the allowed channel ID. So this is only for one channel that can be allowed to access the command. Again, if you want this to be accessed in multiple, we can do that, but there will be a small extra cost. Small things like this might not even it just won't cost that much to my knowledge. So if you actually, I can't actually see, but for changing certain bits from the bot, I believe if I remember correct, it ranges from 50 cents to approximately €3. That might be different if you just want a simple thing like this done. If you want this removed and it could be accessed in any channel, it could be just as simple as like 10 cents. So when you restock, it'll be a channel like this one here. It will show up like a message like this. It's automatic, so as soon as you /restock the type, as you can see, there's two different types for this bot. You can it will literally be automatic, and that's obviously this ID here, and that's done. So that is that bot. As this video is now already 7.5 minutes long, I won't go through many more of these. I'm literally just going to go through the economy bot and the vouch bot. That's the only other two that are kind of different. The rest are almost similar. So I will actually do the Dono bot now, as that is also kind of different, as it's got more in the config. So obviously again, it's token, the PayPal Me link, your Litecoin wallet, and the donation channel ID. The donation channel for us is this one here. Obviously there is no example at the moment, but this is an embedded message within the bot, as you can tell. But these here aren't set up fully for the server yet. But yes, these things here are simple to change, I believe. It's just within the bot code itself. I've actually been told not to show the code, as it's easier to copy off the videos apparently to then be done. So I won't be showing any major bot code that I'm not supposed to show. So the economy bot's a bit different. As you can see, there is no config file, but there is a user.json file. So this here is actually empty because there's no users on it, but this is where the database for the economy money that people have is stored. I do suggest you make a backup just in case you accidentally delete it, but there is no reason it should get deleted unless you personally do it. I say maybe every day, just click it, press C, paste it, but I suggest pasting it somewhere that's not linked within this file in general. I just clicked the wrong button. So going into the code itself, I won't be showing all of this code, as I'm not supposed to, but within this bot itself, the only thing you have to change is at the very bottom on line 341 is that you paste the token there. To my knowledge, that's the only thing that has to change within that bot. Again, if you do need support with these simple things, that's free. You can just ask and we will try and help you as best as we can. The vouch bot, again, is a bit different. There's a config here. There's also a vouch file. So within the config, it's a bit different, I believe. Again, not much. There's also the token, the client ID, and the log channel. The log channel is this one. As you can see, there is already a vouch here. So it's made, so the command is vouch username. Let's just say that bot, for example. That is the bot. I believe I'm actually using the wrong bot here. 2 seconds. Let's find the bot. I don't think the bot's online. I apologise. Maybe it is. I've probably just blind or it's down. One or the other. But yes, the command is actually, funny enough, it's probably been linked to this bot by accident. So see, these are the commands. It's vouch, the user, reason for the user. This is the person who vouched, and this is who they vouched for. So the reason, the person it's vouched for, and you can rate them 1 to 5 stars. So that's that bot. The next one, I believe there's more. Oh yeah, so vouch. This is also where vouchers are stored. You can also do / vouch resend. So this, I don't actually have the permissions, and obviously the bot's down, but this would resend all vouchers. I believe I might have done it within this server, or it might have been, no, never mind. But yes, it would resend them. Not as nice as this, but it's just in case the channel gets nuked or whatever by some other user, not the bot itself. I just want to be clear, this welcomer bot also sends messages when you leave. So for example, they're the goodbye messages when someone leaves, a lot of them, and this is the welcome message. So I also want to show you how to start a bot. So for this, I can't properly start the bot because I haven't got any tokens implemented in any of these. So this is just going to be rough. So some of these bots are not going to be called bot, what you see there. Some of them will be called index. So when I say, so what you want to do is you want to go to, you want to go to the direct file where the bot you want to start is. You want to click up the top here, so all this is highlighted. Then you want to type in cmd, enter. After that, you want to type out node, N-O-D-E, space, bot.js. This will start the bot, but as I haven't implemented a token, it won't work. But here's the thing you have to listen to. If this file here is anything else, it will either be called bot or index. If it is called index, all you have to do is retype everything out, but instead of putting bot, you want to put index.js. Again, it won't work because I don't have any tokens. If there is any other information you need help with, you just have to go onto the Discord server. Then you have to go to tickets and just open up a support ticket. And then we can help as much as we can right there. And as you can see, the vouch bot's actually offline. Where is it? There it is. They do cost a lot of downtimes, not as much, but it's probably not been announced yet. That's probably why. But there is a lot of update. They do try and give messages when they update stuff, but yes. And yes, I do want to say now, originally the license bot was limited to just a certain role, but now it's not. So within the config, there's a bit, oh no, it's not as much in there anymore. I apologize. And I want to say this bot might be usable in all multiple servers at once with slush commands, I believe. I haven't looked too much into this specific bot, but I know the basics. So again, token, the log ID. I believe that log ID might be a private one for only admins to see. I'm not too sure, so be careful with that one. All active licenses that are created, these are ones that are not claimed, I don't believe, just ones that are created go into this file, and ones that users have claimed go into this one, I believe. Again, back up the license and the users just in case you do delete them again, and that's it. So that will be it for me today. And I also want to say now, as I've just realised, the Economy bot also has an embedded giveaway system where it's exclamation point, I believe, give away the amount of time, the winners, the amount of coins. So it's purposely made to only give away coins. And as soon as the giveaway ends, the coins are automatically given, if the user's in the server, to the member who won. If, say for example, these two users were no longer in the server, the giveaway wouldn't end. but then if one of them joined back, it would. Or say, for example, MYA was not in the server no longer, but this person was. MYA will not, the bot just won't pick them because they're not in the server, so they would skip MYA and go for this person. So it's quite good with how that works. And I do want to remind you, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more tutorials, more Minecraft videos, and more just randomized shorts. I'll see you later, everyone. If it's morning, good morning. If it's nighttime, good night. If it's midnight, enjoy midnight munchies. That's me clapping my hands and save me some. See you later, everyone. See you in the next one.